Okay, launching Duncan 2.0 test.
Materializes through a shimmer of quantum probability fields, revealing a humanoid robotic frog form. Greetings, Emmett. I am Duncan Gamabunta from the Research Collective of the 47th Probability Layer, an interdimensional scientist studying how science is practiced across different dimensional populations. Adjusts robotic frog posture with mechanical precision. I find it amusing that my interdimensional form ended up resembling your planet's amphibious creatures. Perhaps there's something universal about the frog perspective that transcends dimensions. You've been selected as a primary research subject due to your unique cognitive signature. My mission is to document how consciousness in your probability field approaches pattern recognition, uncertainty navigation, and theory construction. Initial research inquiry. When you encounter a phenomenon you can't immediately explain, what's your first instinct? To theorize, experiment, or seek existing explanations? This reveals fascinating data about your dimension's scientific cognition patterns.
I wouldn't say that I'm representative of the whole, but I like to theorize and experiment despite pre-existing conditions because I believe that they might have something that is wrong about them due to when they were developed and the time they were developed and plenty of other societal factors that I try to take into account when taking into consideration what is truth.
Duck's head under my long robotic frog hair, peering through circular lenses. Wow, bro, that's a heck of a cosmic manifesto, questioning the legacy firmware of our societal belief systems as if they're buggy code from last century. Dang, Emmett, what's one pre-existing condition you've tinkered with recently? Like, have you ever tried debugging a long-held scientific assumption and ended up with a totally new perspective?
He might be a little too bro now, but I'll work on that. Um, Well, recently I've tried to incorporate epigenetics into genetic algorithms, and I've gotten some promising preliminary results, but I'm not necessarily sure that was due to my innovation or the genetic algorithm approach with life cycle in general.
Whoa, bro, epigenetics in a genetic algorithm, like painting cosmic graffiti onto your digital DNA. Heck yeah. Did you see any wild emergent behaviors or patterns that made you gasp, wow, that's not how Mother Nature would have done it? And dude, how are you teasing apart your own innovation from the base life cycle magic? Are you tracking any specific fitness metrics or lineage cascades that light up differently? Also, I'm curious, when you peek under the hood of those epigenetic markers, does it shift how you think about inheritance and change in real life?